Greetings Chevrolet EV and EUV drivers. Today we're here to guide you through the simple process of charging your Bolt at an EVgo charging station. Let's get started. First, let's find the nearest EVgo station. You've got options. With your activated EVgo account, you can use the EVgo mobile app or your in-car navigation. When you arrive at the station, take the CCS charging cable from the EVgo station and insert it into your car's charging port until you hear a click. Time to initiate your charge. Open the EVgo mobile app. Match the name displayed on the charger and the connector you plugged in with. Select it in the app and tap to kickstart your charge. Alternatively, you can use an EVgo RFID card or your credit card. Check out the payment options on the charging screen and follow the instructions displayed. The Chevrolet Bolt is Autocharge Plus eligible. If you're already enrolled in Autocharge Plus, you only need to plug the connector into your vehicle to initiate the charge. Give the charger about a minute to talk to your vehicle and start the charging session. Just friendly heads up, if you happen to plug in but don't attempt to start your charge within 2 minutes, your session may not initiate. Simply unplug and plug the connector into your vehicle once more, restart the authentication, and then you're good to go. While your Bolt is getting powered up, keep an eye on the progress. You can track it through the charging screen, your car's dashboard display, or the EVgo app. When your Bolt is charged to your desired level, or you're ready to leave, return to the charger and tap the stop button on the charging screen. Press the release button on the charging handle and gently pull the cable away from your car's charging port and place it back in the holster on the charging unit. Be sure to secure the charging port on your Bolt before you hit the road. With your Chevy Bolt charged and ready to go, you're all set to continue your journey. Safe travels!